Hi everybody, Stuart here, and today on the software startup A to Z is the letter U, and I'm going to talk about user types. So in your software ecosystem, which obviously is not just your app or your web app or your mobile app, but also is your administration portal, your support portal, the hosting provider console, payment provider console, etc., etc. You have different roles, different levels of access. So there are different types of user that can access these things and do different things with these interfaces, depending on who they are. So what I recommend is early on, before the design stage, during the requirements gathering stage, is to create a document or a section in your requirements document, whichever is appropriate, but define the user types. Define what type of users are in your ecosystem, the different states that those users can be in. Sometimes you have different types of end user, and they maybe have subscribed or in the free trial. They may have verified their email or not. They're in a different state, which has a knock-on effect of what they can and can't do. And whilst you're doing this, so define each user, the different states, define roughly what kinds of access they have, and that might be through implicit logic or explicitly through roles and permissions, for example. But in addition, do at the same time define whether your software allows for groups, and define the types of groups, and also organizations, whether or not you have organizations defined in your software, and how that works. Are organizations separate tenants? Are users siloed within one organization? Can they be in multiple? Can they move across organizations? Can organizations talk to each other? Just define not just whether you have organizations or not, but how that how they interact with each other, how users interact with organizations. And doing this will allow the design to go ahead much more smoothly, and it will allow communication to happen better, because you can be very clear on what type of user you're talking about. So that was you for user types, and look out for my next video, and have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.